Now we have two circles. This is question 10B. Okay, I'm starting with 10B of the test, the mini WAEC exam we took the other day. This is what the question looks like. I trust you. I'll just keep it a while so you see. This is what the question looks like. I guess you can see it. That's what the question looks like. So we have two circles, and our objective is to look for these segments. This is center to this point. This is center to this point. Center to this point. Center to this point. Now, the angle here is 60 degrees. This point is called N. This is called P. This is called Q. This is called M. This is 7. This is 7 cm. Now take note that these are since it's from the center, the M and N are center of the circle. M and N are center points or center of circles. So they are centers of circles. So you are told to find the area of the shaded portion. The area of the shaded portion is likened to that of a segment. Now, what I'm going to try to do, and that's one of the reasons why you must have a strong understanding of the properties of shapes. Sorry, 1 minute. So look at that. Now, I want to break the circles now. So you can appreciate very well what we want to do. I want to break the circles. Look at this. Now, notice that both circles are, look at this. And then I pull that other circle. So the segment you're looking for essentially is actually this part hiding here. I see it, this part was actually hiding here, and this part was actually hiding here. So the segment you're looking for now is, since this is 7 and it's 60 degrees, is the same. What you need to do now is to find the segment of 1 and multiply it by 2, because they are the same. They are essentially the same segment. So this will now be what? This will be the area of the shaded portion will now be, remember that area of segments is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So the area of the segment is area of the sector minus the area of this triangle. Now the area of shaded portion will be equal to 2 times the area of segments. So please take note of this. Take note of these descriptions quickly. All right. So that's what you're going to have. So with this, we can now go ahead to look for the area of the segment. So area of segment will now be equal to what? Area of sector is what? Theta over 360 times pi r squared. A segment is a portion of the area. A segment is a portion of the area of a circle. So that's what the area of the segment will be. This one, area of the sector rather, this will be this minus the area of a triangle once it is inside Once it's inside a, what do you call it, a circle, is half arrow squared sine theta. The concept of included angle applies here. So half arrow squared sine theta. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and solve. This will now be equal to what? Theta is what? 60. That will be 60 over 360 times, the radius is 7. Pi is 22 over 7 times, radius is 7. 7 squared minus half of, radius is 7, sine. Okay, let's clean and expand this a little more. I think we need more space. Let's clean this and write a little more. So this will be equal to 60 over 360, 60 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 7 squared minus half of 7 squared times sine 60. All right, so look at this. This will go with this 1, this will go with this 6. This will go here 3, this will go here 11. 7 will go here 1, 7 will go here 1. So what you're going to have will be 11 times 7 over 3 minus 7 raised to the power of 2 over 2 sine 60 degrees. What is sine 60 degrees? Sine 60 degrees is actually what? Times root 3 over 2. Sine 60 degrees is what? Root 3 over 2. So at this point, what do you do? This will now be equal to 77 over 3 minus 49 root 3 over 4. So punch your calculator, check the answer, and please drop the answer as charts for me. Let's do that. So you punch your calculator for this value and drop the answer as chart for me now, please. Okay, so if what you got here is correct, the area of the shaded portion will be 2 times that. And that will give you, I think that should be right, 8, 9, 8. So which is the set now, they are told to approximate to the nearest whole number. To the nearest whole number, that will just be 9 what? 9 centimeters. So the answer will be what? 9 centimeters.